Security has always been an important message in Atea's and Microsoft cooperation and the big work streams such as Modern Workplace and Azure. But now we are excited to see that with Atea and Microsoft Security Community Workshop, we are kicking off this cooperation on a brand new, much more focused level.
Hi, my name is Kim Wolf. I'm Global PTS for Microsoft. That's Partner Technology Strategist, and I'm partnering with Atea. So thank you very much for having us over here in Riga. Myself and the Microsoft team are really pleased to be here. We had an objective to talk about security and specifically Microsoft security offerings, but really what we've realized is we can enhance Atea's existing managed services profile with our Microsoft cybersecurity. And it's been a great opportunity for us to talk to how we can engage with partners directly, how we can go out to end customers, do joint sessions together, and work on a whole roadmap in terms of security products for our joint customers and enhance your managed services offering. I'm sure you will agree that most of your end customers are coming to you already with security questions, security concerns, because it's a very hot topic in the market. And by us working closer together, we can identify gaps in the end customer's roadmap in terms of their security model, and we can work together to help identify how to close these gaps with our Microsoft services and solutions. Of course, with Atea's great security consultants and their huge IP that they have around security, they can add extreme additional value to our customers, as well as the ongoing monitoring and maintenance of the security, which they can't do by themselves because it's a huge task. I think the greatest part of working with Atea is definitely the people. They are super enthusiastic, they're very positive. This two-day workshop really demonstrated that. Everyone had a great desire and knowledge to learn, to really understand the Microsoft cybersecurity offerings, and definitely add the different areas where Atea can add their own IP and take it to end customers. We had some great brainstorming sessions, some great thoughts, and we have some excellent takeaways from this workshop that we've had the last 2 days.
I think the best thing about a workshop as we've had here in Riga is that we have like 2 entire days to focus on really getting value added to the customer security.
Yeah, so I think it's great to get together the different Atea countries and Atea Global Services to discuss how we can cooperate and make a team effort to work together with Microsoft and their security offering to provide good solutions to our customers.
This has been 2 great days meeting up with Microsoft and from Atea Global Services. So it's been for me a huge advantage in what I'm doing in my role. And I will be taking back tons of knowledge and insights to move on to my customers with this.
Well, we have attended this security workshop here in beautiful Riga, together with Microsoft, looking at the importance of security. And Microsoft actually acknowledged Atea as a major partner within the security area. And they actually want to invest in Atea on the security area, because they acknowledge that Atea has the capabilities and the abilities to assess, address, implement and even deliver services around security. And besides that, we spent time with fantastic colleagues and the fantastic partner Microsoft.